So I'm doing this Stitch Fix video a little bit differently than I do all the other ones. Usually I have a fix that I'm unboxing with you guys, and so it's a surprise for me just as much as it is for you guys. But today I'm showing you some Freestyle items. So in addition to Stitch Fix being a subscription service, they also have items that you can just buy by themselves if you want to do that on your own without having to schedule a box or a fix. And there were some really great things on sale. So everything that I'm showing you today is on sale, and I've kept the tags on them, so I'm going to try to give you the names of everything that I'm sharing with you, and also have it in the description box in case you want to shop any of this on the Freestyle, then you can know what the name of it is. Let's just go ahead and get started with this Stitch Fix, but it's not a fix unboxing, it is the Freestyle edition. So this is the first thing that I picked up, and it's from Liverpool, and I was really shocked at the price because a lot of times, you know, you have to wait till the season's over with to pick up something. But of course, this color makes me think it's a little bit more summer-like, but I love it because I think it's going to be one of those good transitioning jackets. So it's not quite a bomber style. You've got a little bit of like stretch elastic at the bottom of it. It does have buttons and a zipper, but I love the color of this one, and I picked it up in a medium, which, you know, is true to size. Oh no, no side pockets. Oh well, it has top pockets though. I thought this was a really just nice layering jacket. It's lightweight. The color was so pretty. I just couldn't resist the color. And of course, we know Liverpool is such a great brand. So this one was on sale and I couldn't believe it. So I can't see what the name of this one is. So this is the Liverpool Utility Zip Jacket in teal green, size medium. So this is really nice. It feels good, it's lightweight. It's not gonna be one of these winter jackets, but it's a really good transitioning piece, and the color was just so right. So I have another jacket. I fell in love with this one when I saw it. So this one was actually, I think, the only thing that was not on sale, but I just loved this one so much I had to get this one. I couldn't wait for it to be in a fix and risk it selling out in my size. This is the Skies Are Blue textured knit blazer in pink, size medium. And I just loved the color of this one. It just was so bright. Again, I know it's not giving you the fall vibes like the oranges and the greens, but I loved this one. And I do really like the Skies Are Blue blazers. I think they're really nice. And it has a 3/4 sleeve, which is almost a long sleeve on me, but I loved the color of this one. And just that striation. It has that heathered look, and it's that textured material, nice knit, and it's just an open front. You don't have to worry about buttoning it, but I liked it. I thought it was really nice. And so I just wanted this pop of color, and so I got it. I think it's just a really pretty, vibrant blazer. So this is from Liverpool again. It's the Aspen fitted blazer, and they're calling it red, but to me, it does have a pink undertone to this one. And this one I had been eyeing and saw that it went on sale, so definitely had to snag it when it went on sale, because these Liverpool items are just such good quality, and when you can get them on sale, you need to. So I do have these sleeves cuffed because they're a little bit long on me. Again, it's just an open front. Love the color of this one. Thought it fit really nicely. It's just a cooling blazer, nothing lined on the inside of it. Just really nice quality. It's in a medium, so I think it fits really good. It's good size, good length, and just another great layering piece. So the next up is this jumpsuit, you guys. No, if you've seen any of my Stitch Fix or any of my other hauls, I love a great jumpsuit. So this one I did pick up, and I know it's sleeveless and we're going into fall, but I love this purple color, could not resist it. And I have a moto jacket that I will put over this that I think will be good for fall. It is really pretty, you guys. It's got this detail. Of course, my bra's showing, so I got to figure that one out. And then it's got this band right here, which is kind of flattering because it cinches me in. I'm not that small. And then front pockets. It's got that crepe feel, so it's really nice and lightweight, wide leg. It is a little bit long, so I am going to have to wear some heels with this one. So play around with what shoes I'm going to wear. But I love this color. I couldn't resist this color, and I just love how loose and flowy this jumpsuit is. And I'm going to have to take it off before I can tell you what it is because the tag is in the back. So the jumpsuit I just had on was from Gilli. It's the Betania Surplice Neckline jumpsuit, dark purple, size medium. Now, this sweater cardigan and these pants both came from Stitch Fix. This is just a cami that I have had. So this one, I loved the color purple, and it's more of a 3/4 sleeve. It's got this little bit of detail at the bottom, more lightweight, so great for transitioning. And then these pants are from Liverpool. These are the Cinch hem pull-on parachute cargo pant in black, size medium. I thought it was really neat how it's got your little cargo pockets, but then it has this little extra detail, which I've never seen on any of my cargo pockets. It has a really nice lighter weight material, wide leg, and then it has the cinch at the bottom. That's the parachute pants where you can kind of cinch it up a little bit. So I thought this was really a cute casual outfit by itself. Just throw on a cami with this sweater cardigan and these pants, and it's a real great transitioning look. So let me see what this sweater is. It is from Lety and Me. Aubree back detail cardigan in purple. Oh shoot, I didn't even know the cardigan had a back detail. So let me just put this back on so you can see the back. It looks like it has a lace-up detail. So can you see that, you guys? See the back of it? Really cute. So it's got a little bit of detail on the back, but I just love the color. That's why I was really drawn to this, because I thought it was going to be a nice lightweight. So this jacket's from Liverpool too. I could not believe all the Liverpool that was on sale. I just got really excited because I love this brand, but the price, I don't love so much. So yeah, I'll have to take this off to get what this is, but it's like a chambray blazer, which is really nice. Again, open front. This one is similar to that red one, that Aspen fitted one that I showed you a little bit earlier. It's kind of similar to it, maybe a little bit longer, and of course I rolled the sleeves up on this one, but you've got that denim look, and I actually think this is a pretty good look too. So if you want to add a layering piece with these really comfortable pants, I mean, I just kept the pants on because they were super comfortable, but I mean, I think this is a really good look too. So this is the Liverpool boyfriend blazer with Princess Darts light blue, size medium. And I think it's a good fit. It's really nice and lightweight. It's not lined or anything on the inside. It's a good lightweight transitioning piece. I feel like I hit the jackpot with all the Liverpool that I found on sale. I was so excited. I might have overbought a little bit just because it was on sale. So these are some really great wide leg pants. They hit me right at the ankle. So these are the Liverpool Stride High Rise wide leg jean in indigo, and I got them in a size 8, which is really true to size, and I think they fit really nicely. They have this little seaming detail that's supposed to kind of narrow your legs a little bit, and I have thicker thighs, so it's supposed to make them look a little bit slimmer and taller. And then this top's a really nice boat neck top. I think the neckline's pretty, and this button detail was just so pretty, and it's a 3/4 sleeve. So I thought this would look really nice, and then I could layer something over that maybe, but I'm not sure with the buttons if I could or not. So I had gotten a red jacket a couple of fixes ago from Eden Society, and ever since then I fell in love with that jacket. It has like a cinch at the waist, and I thought it was such a nice jacket. So I started looking at Eden Society, and then I saw this and I saw it was on sale, and I was like, wow, this is a really nice trench jacket. So the color is, I would say, like between a khaki, but it looks like it has a green undertone. You've got side pockets. It feels really nice, and then you can see the inside. It's not really lined on the inside. Of course, you've got your tie. If you want to tie it, you can leave it open. Oh, actually, it's the belt. Sorry, you have this belt if you want to belt it for that kind of look and button it up. A lot of times with trench jackets, I will just leave them open just because I kind of like them for the layering effect, but this is really nice. Has a good feel to it, a good weight, and the stretch. Look at this stretch on this one. Really nice. So this one is the Eden Society Moss Green, so it does have an olive undertone trench, and it does say it's olive. So, but it does have a khaki look. It's not really green to me. It has more of a brownish tint with a green undertone. So the real pretty boat neck top with those details, it's like an antique gold button detail. It's from Market in Spruce, and it is the 3/4 sleeve boat neck tee in navy, size medium. I like the way it fit. It was just kind of loose. And then I couldn't resist just a regular black top. I know I feel like in one of my last boxes, I got a black top that I kept, but this one I think was on sale for like $17. So I thought you never can go wrong with a black top. So I did pick this one up. It is a little bit more fitted than I thought that it should be, but it's got that stretchy knit material in the back and that polyester look in the top with a little bit of a cap sleeve, V-neck, faux button right here. But I mean, you can't go wrong with a black top. And then I'm gonna show you a layering piece over this. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, why did I buy this one? Because I got that really pretty red one, but this is burgundy, but it's very similar to it. It's from Eden Society, and it's the Holly Contrast Hood Cargo Jacket in burgundy, size medium. So this one does have a little bit of a hood on it. It's not a removable hood, and then you've got the drawstrings right here where you can cinch that up. But this is kind of like a similar feel to the red one that I kept out of my box probably 2 or 3 boxes ago. I can't really remember. It's got the drawstring right here, and then I'm hoping you have side pockets. No, you just have these top pockets right here, but it does zip, and then it does have the buttons, and then you have where you can adjust that drawstring to draw it in, and you've got the little slits on the side for a little bit more of movement. And then this one has a hood on it. But I love these jackets. This Eden Society, this is like some jackets that I've really been on board with. This is cinched a little bit too tight. I'm going to have to uncinch that because I won't be able to zip it the way it's cinched. So this one was in a medium, and as soon as I get this one off and put the other top on, I will tell you what this black one is. So I memorized the name of this top before I put it on. It's the Daniel Rain in Lovina embroidered mixed material top, size medium in navy. So you can see this one right here has this really pretty crochet detail. And then in the front, it has almost like a crepe, a gauzy feel to it, and it's lined on the inside. And then in the back, you have that stretchy knit material. I just bought this one for a good layering piece because I thought this would look really pretty under some blazers, especially when you have, I don't know if you can see that with the navy, this really pretty crochet detail. I thought that would look really pretty layered. So this is in a medium. So the black top that I had on just a minute ago is from Fortune and Ivy. It's the Helena mixed material blouse in black size medium. So I thought this would be also good. You could layer this under blazers or cardigans for transitioning and into fall as well. So love this, you guys. So that's going to be it for all of the Freestyle items that I got. I did go a little bit crazy because all of these items except for that pink blazer were on sale. And when I saw all this Liverpool, especially Liverpool jeans, to get Liverpool jeans on sale, because they're normally around $90 to $119, and I think I got these for $50 at the time that I bought them. You're getting really good premium quality denim. And I don't feel like these are like last year's style or anything, and that's why that they are marking them down, because I mean it's a wide leg, so it's very on trend right now. So definitely loved all the stuff that I picked up from the Freestyle. Did you like anything from this Freestyle that I picked up? If so, put it down in the comments down below. And if you have Stitch Fix, do you also shop the Freestyle as well, or do you just get the boxes whenever you schedule those? So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion and beauty and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video, and until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.